button. Okay. Well, I had to sit back and laugh at myself because I definitely missed out on the timing. This time zone is just crazy, but here we are. Okay, great,
Yeah.
great. Great to have you, Pravin, with us this morning. Now, good morning, good evening, or good night to all our average partners around the world, especially in India. I know it's nighttime over there. To families and friends who are part of this journey, and to those who are looking for a plan B. Still in that decision-making phase. We welcome you, with us this morning. So due to time difference and a bit of miscommunication on dates, we weren't able to do this yesterday, but here we are. So my name is Nelly, hosting our Unleash Your Story. This is edition 6. And these are stories from real people in our community who are creating an ecosystem where it will bring equal distribution of wealth, ideas, foster ideas that can become reality, creating a new breed of entrepreneurs around the world. And we have an amazing business model system that we use, what we call multi-level crowd investing, using our products and services that benefits us and everyone, and therefore bringing about change and drawing us closer to our mission in theory of the new economic evolution of the world. Now, we all know in our community globally that India holds a record-breaking #1 spot in both category registrations and volume. So USA is always trailing or Australia. So we have so much work to do to try and and get onto the level where India is right now. So I'm really, really grateful for Praveen to have the time. I know time is of essence and is very, very valuable to be on with me to share his story. Now, joining me this morning is this incredible hustler, always working, a massive work ethic, and always adding value to the Indian community. He is a leader manager in our Average program. He's a blockchain trainer, and a software developer. Wow. And also, for those of you who were in our marathon, MLCI Marathon 260 last year, Pravin is the winner of our world's best host in our Marathon 260. So really, really grateful to have you on here. Now, I won't go into further more about him. It feels good for him to speak and come out and introduce yourself and a little bit of your background with our community and with people who are watching us right now.
Thank you. Thank you, Nelly. Thank you. And thank you so much. And first of all, good morning, USA, because it's too early at your place. And last night we missed our sessions just because of some confusions.
Yeah.
So thank you. You calling him again. And really, I really appreciate you because I saw your some sessions on a Facebook Live, and really it's awesome. And as your training, as you invite all leaders in your sessions, and you ask some questions about his life, about his personality, about his mentality, about his mindset. So it is good. It is good. Very good.
Thank you. Okay. So growing up, what are some of the interests
So
you
now
pursue
it's my
or
turn.
goals? Yeah. So growing up, what are some interests that you pursue or goals you want to achieve, and what did you do to achieve them when you were growing up? What I know you mentioned that you are a software developer, so I know that is one of your goals as you growing up. And what did you do to achieve any of what you've achieved so far?
Basically, when I was a student in my growing period, I love computers. I loved computers just because of
Mhm.
I had a computer at that time at my home. So that time I was working on that, and I was so curious to know more and more about computers, about the languages.
Mhm.
So as I passed my intermediate classes, means 12th class, I passed. Then I learned some languages. I learned some codings,
Mhm.
and when I made first time in my career, I made calculator on
Right.
computer. I made self time. So after that, my coach gave me a task to prepare a game,
Mm.
snake game. So I developed two things, a calculator and a game. So that time I found that yeah, it is a very good in for future. It have a lots of scope and opportunities. If we learn about this codings and the languages, the softwares, then we should get a job.
Mm,
So I was that type of mentality, and
yes.
so I learned some trainings and some certificate courses. And during my graduation, when I was in graduation, I did a bachelor of science degree in information technology sector.
Mhm, mhm,
So that time I had a small topic in my classes that was blockchain.
mhm,
So that time when I was in graduation, that time I learned about blockchain, about the distributed database. Basically blockchain is just a collection of databases. If it really talk about the concept behind the blockchain, it is the database handling and database developing tools.
mhm.
So that time I learned. So that time I found there is a lots of opportunities in this blockchain. I'm talking about the year 2008, I think, 8 or 9
Oh,
maybe.
okay. Mm,
That time I learned. But after graduation, finish my graduation, I did some more trainings. I did one certificate course about blockchain.
mhm.
So the computer was my first love. I did lots of work on computers and codings.
Yeah.
So after that, I learned some new. So basically, my as per my academic career, I was a sports person.
Mhm.
I am a national player of India in Kho Kho. Actually, it is a local game in India. So I got a national certificate from the government of India. So after that, when I finished my graduation and this after getting the sports certificate,
Yeah.
I was I joined the army, army training.
Wow.
So I did 3 years army training.
Mhm.
Basically, it is not a full-fledged army. It is a junior army. You said
Right.
NCC training.
Mhm.
In India, we have a NCC training for some for small level students. So I did 3 years training of army. After that, I was selected as a swimming coach because I love swimming also. From the beginning, I did swimming. So after completing my army training, I got a job, means a temporary job in the police academy of a local state as a swimming coach. So I was serving 7 years as a swimming coach in a particular area.
Mhm.
So swimming and blockchain, these two things I kept with me, and I start following my passion. And currently, still, I'm following this my passion, swimming and blockchain and trainings.
Wow, that's incredible. Wow, that's just too much information for me to absorb. But that's really good. Like, I think with what you've just mentioned, I think it really now you're utilizing those skills and that knowledge within our community. So that explains the value that you're adding to our Indian community. Wow, that's amazing. Now I think I skipped the first part where tell us about your family. How many brothers and sisters you have, and what's your family like in India? And yeah, tell us about it.
Yeah, sure. First of all, India is incredible. Just
Yes.
because of we all Indians are brothers and sisters. We
Mhm.
we always deliver this quote in our school. So we have a very large family. But if I'm talking about my personal life,
Yeah.
I have two brothers, means me and my younger one. I'm the
Yeah.
elder one, and my elder brother is working in the government bank in India.
Okay. Wow.
And my father is a officer in Indian Railway
Hmm.
department. And I'm married since the last 3 years. So my wife is a teacher, and before COVID, she was a teacher, but after COVID, she left her school just because of Corona, this pandemic situation. All schools are closed, so now she is at home.
Right. Right. Yeah.
Yeah. So my life is very fantastic because
Yes.
apart from these five members, I
Yes.
love every community, every members of my
Hmm.
family, of my entire world, just because
Hmm.
of this average learnings,
Yes.
this average
Absolutely.
learning, this average mentality.
Yes.
Community is a power. Community is a concept
Yes.
to promote our work, to promote our concept. So this is
Mm.
good.
This is good. Yes. And I think that really it like with what you just mentioned, especially with your family, you got really intelligent and very great family. So that explains, your build and what you're adding to our community. Now, can you share some aha moments and also life-changing decisions in terms of of those decisions that really changed your life?
Yeah, why not? This is my favorite question you ask,
Oh, okay.
because this is the moment. Aha moment is a life changing moment for everyone, because we follow our passion just to do
Yes.
something extra.
Yes.
When I was a student, when I completed my graduation, after
Mhm.
graduation, my father told me join government service, government job.
Yeah.
But I was so curious to follow my passion, follow my
Mhm.
curiosity.
Yeah.
So I denied that. I denied that time, and it was a very good job, a very good job at early age. It means 21, 22 years of age in India. If you got the government job, means you
Yeah.
are such a brilliant by
Right.
at
Yes.
at anyhow, because in India the mentality of Indian community, most of the Indian community is to do a government job. It's not about the salary, it's not about the yearly package, it's not about the promotion, it's not about the
Hmm.
means your promotions. But yeah, if you have a government job, then it is good. You will get married
Oh,
very soon, because every father of a girl
yeah.
demand my
Yes.
son-in-law
Yes.
should be a government job. So that time I denied my government job, and I said no. I will follow my passion, I will start swimming, I will do my passion. And that time that was my aha moment. If suppose
Oh,
I did not deny that,
yes.
so I was in government job, and maybe you will not invited me, just because of
Yeah.
I'm doing some 9 to 5 job
Yeah.
and following
Yeah.
the rat race life.
That's right.
So that was first
Oh,
my first time. And after
wow.
that, when I joined this Evorich, community, the great aha moment was when I was selected as a office manager of India. After joining after
Mhm.
joining this Evorich community, just after 6 months,
Mhm.
the director of India, Mr. Harvinder Singh Harry,
Yes.
invite me
Yes.
as an office manager. And that was really a aha moment,
Yeah.
just because of I spent only 6 months in this company,
Right.
and I got an the so prestigious job
Yes.
post. So
Yeah.
that was another. And the third thing is when I uh, got a moment to prove myself.
Yes.
Alina invite me to come, Praveen, come and host the marathon. And she invited me on my birthday. So that was so full of
Yeah.
excitement. On 27th of July 2020, I got an invitation by Elena,
Yeah.
and she said, come and host the marathon. So I was the first Indian to host the marathon 260.
Yes.
And so it was really, and that was miracle. And that after some months means September, October, November, sorry,
Yeah.
in the October, after 3 months, in event 2020, I was uh, selected as a world best host. So
Wow.
it's a really
Yes.
aha moment that that
Yes.
whole global world vote for me.
Mm.
So really, it is really is unforgettable moment for me, just
Hmm.
because of being an Indian leader. And
Hmm.
then now this community is knowing me. They know me,
Yes.
who is Praveen. So that was
Yes.
really this aha moment for me.
Wow.
And
I love your aha moments. Oh, yeah. Keep on coming. Keep on coming.
yeah. And when you join this company, this community, there is one uniqueness. Suppose there is two-person, you and me. Suppose you have an experience of 20 years or 15 years or 10 years in network marketing or different companies, and suppose I'm a new person. You did lots of companies, and this is my first company, Evorich. So the difference between you and me means a experienced person and a new person, or a multiple companies or Evorich companies. The main difference is the excitement level.
Yes.
Average person, average members, average promoters, every time he feel excited, just because of we have a lots of new things to explore. We have a lots of new things to
Yeah.
understand and to deliver the knowledge.
That's
In
right.
every company except our Evorich, there is a fixed parameters to promote. There are fixed things to promote. Means you feel got bored. Why I'm
Mm.
promoting this daily? But in our community, we have a lots of more things to do and explore yourself.
Mm. That's right. We don't just do education. We don't just do different, but it's all about growing growth.
Yeah, here
And
is lots of thing. Here is a lots of
yes,
thing to
yeah,
understand and to deliver.
yes,
Suppose if I'm talking about the eight rule of private investor, the basic
mm,
things who change my life.
yes,
Really, we have a we have just eight rules. But when you're going to start explaining these eight rules, you will expend approx 7 to 8 hours, and you will not going to
yes.
stop this just because
That's
of
right.
the depth of this education, the depth of
That's
this
right.
knowledge. It is so great.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you. And that's why I cannot hold back the excitement. I know with all of us leaders around the globe, it's this has never been done before, in any network marketing industry. We're creating something so unique and out of this world. If you want it to be, if you want to come in different, because we have so many different projects and anybody can come through it, right? And you just choose what works best for you and you just come in and roll with it. But great, awesome. That's just amazing. I love your aha moments. And shout out to Elena for that moment, for that aha moment too, and also
Ac- Actually,
the
she's my mentor.
oh great,
She's my
yeah,
mentor.
she's amazing. Yes,
I really appreciate her. I really appreciate her. When I joined this company, when
yes,
I joined as an office manager, she helped me a lot, really.
yes,
And I I cannot forget her.
yes,
Her help to me. So
yes.
she's incredible.
Yeah, she is. And also shout out also to the director and director of India, Harry. Also, I know you guys are working
Harry, sir.
together, and just moving and just lifting India to where India is at right now. So India is very important in our community right now. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, it's crazy. Oh, so great stuff. Okay, so what are some of your hobbies or things that you love doing when you have the free time?
Basically, my first hobby, which I really loved, swimming. But
Yes,
at home,
I
you
see that.
cannot. But at home, living at home, you cannot swim. And but I really love this. So
Yes.
after that, my second hobby is to read some books, some motivation quotes, or watching some videos
Mhm.
like a financial. After joining this
Yes.
company, actually, I'm talking. Before that,
Yes.
I have lots of, but after joining this company,
Everything
this
changed.
education, this everything is changed. Every my mindset is changed.
Mm,
So I love to read about financial terms, means about blockchain, about cryptocurrency. So
mm,
at my free on my free time, I'm doing trading on cryptocurrencies, on some Binance or different things.
mm.
And really, I really love this. Really
Yeah.
love this.
Yeah.
After that, talking with friends
Yes.
regarding our company, regarding
Yes.
our projects, regarding our
Mhm.
promotions.
Yes.
After joining this company, when I was when I did some lots of work, I block my all friends, actually, all families, just because of who. If you're not talking about this Evo Rich, you are not my friend. You are not my relative. So
Oh,
if you want to talk with me, so you should use some Evorich or our education's wordings
yes.
in your language. Otherwise, I
Yes.
will I will block you. So
Oh my
that is
gosh.
the main things.
Wow.
That is the main thing I've changed in my life. I left my all friends, every colleagues, everyone. If
Mm,
you if ev- I told everyone, if you want to be with me, then come and join our company. Don't pay.
mm.
Just take this education. Just take
Yes.
this education and implement in your life. That how you can diversify your income.
That's right.
Create a multiple source of income. Don't depend upon a single job.
Mm,
So if you are following this, you are my friend. And if you are
yes.
not following this, not promoting this, it's okay. We will be
Mm.
friend, but not now.
Yeah. Yeah, not now. Oh my gosh, I love that mindset. It goes the same with me because before I was more focused on when I was involved in different MLMs before Everidge came, I was more focused on the selling, on the money, but I wasn't, the growth level. Yes, I did some growth, but not really stronger than where we are at in this company, in our company, because we own it. We're co-owners of it. And so everything changed. The mindset just shifted much 10x the mindset right now, in this. And I
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
definitely agree with that. I have lost friends. I have lost families because of what I'm doing online. Sometimes I thought I'm still friends with people that I care about, people that I thought they're friends and families. And later on, they added me again and wanted to add me. So I was like, wow, I thought so. You just, you become my friend and then you unfriend me and add me again. So, that goes to show that, it's okay to be different, right? And stand
Yeah.
out from the world, and especially that belief system that what do you call it? You have so much conviction in yourself, right? That you are laser focused on where you're going, right? And so you eliminate every other distraction, the no's, the naysayers, right? So that you can,
Yeah.
laser focus and just, and continue to progress in what you're doing. But that's amazing, incredible. And I know that with those people that used to be friends or families, they will be watching you. They're still stalking you, right? They're still watching you and say, oh, has he failed yet or not? But
Yes. Yeah. Exactly.
yeah.
Exactly.
So they only see, okay, when is it going to fail? But you're still there. You're progressing. You're changing your life. And I think that's one of the things why some people will eventually come on board, because it's all about timing, right? Great. I love that. Wow. I'm also learning a lot from you as well this morning. Okay, so okay, I love it. I love it. Okay, so tell us your story. I think this is one of the things a lot of people are wanting to hear. Tell us your story and your journey with Everidge. How did you come to know about Everidge? What has Everidge offered you that separates from all the other things that you've done in the past?
Yeah. Actually, it was an accident. Basically, by profession, as I told you, I did my graduation in software development courses. So after that, I developed some lots of software for MLM companies. Basically,
Right.
I was a software developer for different type of MLM companies. So as per my calculation, I developed more than 100 and plus MLM softwares for different companies. So that time I learned something that yeah, it is a future. If if lots of people are coming to make a new companies or new
Mm.
structures or new brandings, means it is
Yes.
a future, it's something. And basically MLM is in my blood actually.
Mm.
My father is also a is a MLM based worker. When At his younger age, he did lots of MLM companies. So
Wow.
basically MLM is in my DNA actually.
Yes.
So
Yes.
after that after that when I grow when I growing up, so that time I learned something about these companies. And after completing my graduation, when I created lots of MLM softwares, that time I saw there is lots of plans, means binary plan, matrix plan, lots of depth structure plans, 4 is to 4, 3 is to 3, means
Yes.
lots of structure plans. But there is maximum of them was scam, just
Mm-hmm.
because of the
That's right.
mentality. Maximum 90% of that type of softwares or MLM companies was a scam. I'm not going to take
Yeah.
any name, but
Yeah.
maximum of them was a scam.
Mm.
They just came to market just to bring some money, just to collect
Yes.
the community in that
Right.
particular company. And after some time, they will left, they will run away. So
Mm-hmm.
that time I was following that I have to do this networking MLM, but
Mm-hmm.
with a futuristic company, with a bright company, with a
Yes.
long lasting company. So
Yeah.
that time I was searching lots of things. And in my last 11 years of network MLM networking age, I did lots of companies, but maximum was ran away. And in some companies I was run away just because of the different plans, the product based companies,
Right.
which you cannot use a multiple time, but I have to
Yeah.
sell because just because of as a promoter of that company.
Right.
So after struggling 11 year, I saw a video on YouTube of
Mm-hmm.
in of this company. At
Mm-hmm.
that time, that was Swig, in
Yes.
2018.
Yes. Yes.
So that time I saw some train technology and some different type of engines and metro projects. So that time when I heard first time about this company, I run approx 6 months in all over the India Understand this, I meet with approx more than 50 plus leaders of this average company that time of Swig, sorry.
Mhm.
So Swig leaders, but no one clarified me what is this company, what is the basic concept of this company, what is the
Mhm.
real education.
Mhm.
So after searching and hiring means this the good leader, I spent approx 6 months, and from 2018 it was 19, and CRU club that time open in front of me, but I did not buy any package in the first stage just because of no one explained me what is the
Yes, yes,
concept of CRU.
yes,
And
yes,
I thought yeah, it is like a scam just because of first time the train,
yes, exactly.
now
Yeah.
this is cryptocurrency whatever they are promoting. But
Mhm.
actually that was my mindset. I was
Yes.
searching a good leader, but there was no one who explained
Mhm.
me, just
Yes.
because of I have lots of experience in this network industry. So when any leader came to me and they start explaining me, I asked so many of questions regarding
Mhm.
the basics and the technical questions which
Mhm.
they did not have answer. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I spent 6 months. After 6 months, I got a miracle. Mr. Atul Kumar Gupta, he's my upline and he's a great leader of India. He met me.
Okay. Right.
And his wife, Mrs. Bhavna Gupta.
Right.
They both are global leaders. So they met
Yes.
me and they explained
Yes.
me about this project and about this company. That time I joined. After spending 6 months, just because of they clear my everything. They clear
Yes.
my every doubts just because of
Yes.
they
Mhm.
already take lots of sessions of this company in India and global level, so they know the everything. So after that, when I start, they help me and I start learning, I start promoting. And after that, there was an event in Delhi, the 5th anniversary in October. That event really changed my mind, really.
Mhm.
We had approx of 20,000, more than 20,000 people in one stadium in
Yeah.
Delhi. Lots of global leaders came here. That time I saw, means wow, what a company. Means the first time I saw more than global leaders than India. Means global leaders is lots of there was lots of global leaders more than Indian peoples. So that time I saw first time, means this is the really believable things. This is the really life changing moment. After that, I went to Goa event for Master Trophy event, and after the Delhi event. So that time, Harvinder Singh Harry, the country director of India, he saw me and he invited me in office as an office manager. So event changed my life, really. That event, fifth anniversary, changed my mind, my life, and my the perception to see the world. And
Mm.
event 2020, I got another miracle. I was elected as the world best host.
Yeah.
So event is a very lucky moment for me. Every event means i
Yes.
saw i saw two event in my life, and they both event really
Yes.
gave me a lots which I
Yes.
did not expected.
Yes.
So
Oh
so
man.
if anyone want to grow their self, grow their life, or grow
Mhm.
themselves, must attend every sessions of our company. Means
Mhm.
if you have a courage, if you have a budget or whatever, then
Mhm.
must attend every sessions, mean every eventee.
Yes.
Really, you will see your changing your life in front of yourself.
Yes, absolutely. And especially with also we have that GoPro session as well, which is one
Yeah,
of the
yeah,
leading
yeah.
events in the industry, the network marketing. And we were so blessed to have that incorporated into our as an EIP for our company. And it really, really grow the entire global community. And that's incredible. Even with our MLCI marathon, like that course really changed my outlook on so many different areas of learning so I love
Yes,
what you
yes.
say. You touched in your Everett story. I love when you mentioned that. I know we had experienced the past. We had some failures, we have some, but it's all learning and growing, right? And I love that you are cautious
Yes.
and stepping back, not really jumping straight into it, but looking for somebody that would really explain, like a good leader. And I love that. I love that. For some
That's so
people
great.
out there,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
well, I was that person that when I saw I went through hell with other MLM before. But I told myself never give up, because I know as you continue to pursue opportunities, there is a door, or there is the real opportunity will come, right. But it's so important to also look out for good leaders, for leaders that are genuinely there to help you and to really explain, because sometimes people just leaped into something and they don't know what they're getting themselves into. But it's also important to really know the background of what the company represents. And for us in our average, like, I have no doubt at all, like, everything is out there in the open to for people to read and to, oh, it's incredible what we have, so many different things to choose from. So great, that's amazing. And I'm also grateful for your leaders. I mean, they took the time out to really connect with you. And did you miss out on the first
Yes,
stage
yes.
of our crypto unit program, the stage one? What stage did you did you finally get into?
Act- actually, when on 30th of March 19, when CRU Club was opened,
Yeah.
I saw on some videos. I saw some videos, but I did not join just because of no one explained me
Yes, I
clearly.
know.
So that time I was so confused. Oh, means this is another cryptocurrency, and I have a lots of cryptocurrencies markets. I'm a blockchain trainer and professional,
Yeah.
so I know this type of companies.
The background of it,
So
yes. Mm.
yeah, so just because of the background was a motor, a train, a motor
Yes,
concept.
right.
After that, we launched our crypto unit program. So that time I was so confused. So I left first stage, I left second stage. In third stage, they met me. And actually, I had lots of information about the CRU
Yes,
when
yes,
it was launched.
yes,
Lots of people invites me, hey, come and join, take this opportunity, left the education, just hold this CRU and
yes.
you will be millionaire in your life.
Yeah,
But I
yeah.
focused on learning. I
Yes,
told him, first teach
yes.
me the concept and the program of this importance of the program, then I will join.
Yeah.
And many of Indian leaders, actually many of global leaders, they just have a knowledge about the CRU, but did not
Mm.
have a knowledge about the company's promotion
Yes.
background.
Mm.
Means
Hmm.
our financial education, the main concept, the EIP packages.
Mm.
They just know about the one thing: CRU. Take this CRU. After some time, it will be like $1, $2,
Yeah.
$5, and
Yeah.
you will get dividend.
Mm.
Just these 3 or 4 lines everyone know, but no one
Yeah.
know the basics of our company, what we are promoting, what is the product of
Yes.
our company.
Mm.
And but I wanted the proper education. First teach me about company, I will promote myself, but teach me.
Mm.
So that time in third stage, they both my leader, my appliant met me, and
Hmm.
then I joined. And after that, I did not see what I left in past. I just
Right.
focus on what will in my
What's
future.
Yes, absolutely. So I think I did the opposite of what you did. Like, I joined later down because I wasn't introduced to it before. But once I got to it, I got introduced when it was at stage five. Stage five.
Wow.
But I didn't make a decision then at stage five. It was right at the end of stage five. And then it went to stage six, and that's where I came in. When it was at stage six. So for me, I just quickly scanned through it, read through a little bit of it, and I kind of understand where it's heading. And then what intrigued me was, okay, you got to hold these crews, because once you get into it, you're gonna have some shares and become co-owner of the company. But at the same time, financial education was something that stood out to me. So I just wanted to say, okay, I'm gonna go all in on this. I'm gonna purchase, and then I'm gonna learn later. So I did the opposite of what you did. I mean, and I just say, okay, I'm just gonna learn later. So that's what I did. I went in and then took the time to learn later on. But I didn't put in a lot because I wanted to learn more before I put in a huge amount of investment. So that's good. Oh man, of those people who are watching and listening to this, these are some incredible information, incredible learning experience, to take
Thank
from.
you. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, I know there's a lot of people out there that are also watching our stories. And I know, I don't know, with Praveen Rai following, and if you are watching or hearing his comments and his life journey, take it from him, because look at the growth, look at where he's at. He's not just someone ordinary. He's a person that is well educated and intelligent. and when you're talking about blockchain, this is a highly sought skill nowadays, because especially we're in this technological era. And so, people like this is, you don't just jump into or be involved in something that it's not legit, and that without further proof or the background of the company and what they're going in. So especially now with our blockchain crypto unit wallet launching, we're now in our blockchain wallet officially and doing those staking, unstaking part. And now we're launching our third party, which is our UnitX exchange later on this week. It's incredible. So we've come a long way. And I guess, it took a great leap of faith to believe in what we're doing. And in any new thing that we're doing, it needs vision, it needs belief, right? Whether you don't really believe what you're doing, but you're going ahead because you believe in a vision, right? And that just,
exactly.
you remind me of that, because you step back, learned a lot, and then you just run for it. And I really do admire, how you're laser focused and opt out of every other distraction along the way, and a lot of changes that you've taken to eliminate and just focus on where you're at. So great stuff. I love your story and your journey, Pravin. Great stuff. So because we have so many projects in our Everidge system, what is your personal favorite and why? It doesn't limit to one, but what are your top, maybe one or two top favorites, or three?
My favorite was the blockchain, actually, obviously.
I know. Obviously, yes.
I remember that day, the day on 11th of October 2019.
Yes.
The first day of Eventi, means the manager meeting, when Andrew Hortosh sir came to stage first time, and I saw him first time, and he told that we are going to on blockchain. So that time in hall, I was one of them. I was first of them who said, yes, we are on blockchain. Just because of that time, everyone was waiting for IPO.
Yeah. Yes.
If you remember, if you joined this that event, one day before, the only manager and above meeting there was in a small stadium. So Andrew Hortosh sir came to that stage, and he told about the blockchain. And that time I was so excited. Yes, now we have a long vision. Now we have a very great. We can generate lots of profit just because of the technology which we are going to use in our future. That is blockchain. It is beyond our mind, really. Blockchain is really what we can imagine is our perception, but beyond our perception, blockchain is working.
Yes.
So really, after that, if I'm talking about the Basalt, really, in future, Basalt is going to be a huge
exactly
huge,
I agree with you on that one. Yes, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for
everything means what in this house you are staying, and I'm living in this house, or whatever, this mobile computer, everything is going to be made by that type of particular substance compound. So what a miracle, really.
Yes.
So means I have to learn lots of these things, and still I'm learning about basalts and different type of projects.
Yes.
But out of all projects, that basalt, it took my attention, really.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. See, I named one of my husky puppies Basalt. I named him after Basalt.
Wow.
That's how crazy I am.
Very good.
Wow. That's good. I love it. Yes. And when we have, like, with our company, the tools that we're using, we're not selling products like lotions and creams or health products.
Yes.
We are, how do you say it? We are in something so long lasting.
We are selling future.
Yes,
we are selling future.
We're selling vision.
We are selling
the future. Yes. Oh, incredible. I'm kind of speechless, because every time we talk about it, it just gives me the goosebumps. So Basalt is one thing. I wasn't expecting you to say Basalt, but personally, that's also one of my top favorites, Basalt. I have 5 puppies, and I'm naming them Ugain, ILC, Everidge baby. So I'm naming all this is how crazy I am with Everidge. Oh my gosh.
Very good.
Anyway,
Excellent.
anyway,
Excellent.
oh, well, I don't want to distract from the topic, but anyway, it's amazing what we have, and and I can feel your passion, just explaining that. And I know I'm not surprised when you say blockchain is your favorite because that is your expertise and background. So to finish off our short session this morning, what would be a challenge or words of encouragement you want to leave for anyone out there watching us about our opportunity, about our company, or what are some of words of wisdom, your favorite quote, or anyone or anything that you want to share with them so that they can take out of our session this morning?
Yeah, why not? Actually, when anyone joined this company, maybe if anyone is going to plan or they already joined, there is one thing we have to focus, and that is patience.
Yes.
Patience is much more valuable than our real assets, because if we have a patience, if we have a time, if we have a great mentality, if you have an open minded person, and if you have a real learning, you can create every means each and everyone can create a lots of assets, and everyone should be a millionaire just because of the patience level. Because during these days, we all are active on social media. There is
Yeah,
lots of scammers and lots of public, they
absolutely.
they posted lots of different type of messages, means blah 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 about our company. But if you have a real vision, long vision about our company, if you have a real
Mm,
knowledge, and the main thing is always focus on our CEO, Mr. My God, my God, my
yes.
Lord, Andrew Horthoff, sir. Because the profile of our CEO can can change your life.
Mm,
Forget about this CRU, forget about WCRU, forget about everything. Just focus on the concept, the vision, the mindset of our CEO, Mr. Andrew
mm,
Horthoff.
that's
He
right.
can change our life. He took born. He's here in this earth just to change our life.
Hmm.
I'm a big fan of him.
Yes.
I posted a picture on my temple, uh, just because
Oh,
of our Hindu mythology. Our Hindu
yes.
mythology, we have a temple in which
Hmm.
our gods, we have a sticks our the statues of our gods. I posted his picture on my temple, and
Oh,
I pray every time when I woke up. I pray, and I saw him, because really he's my God. He
mm,
is here just because to change our life. He have a great vision. So always focus on the vision, the mission, and the mindset of our CEO, Mr.
yes.
Andrew Vartov. And really, if you do this, you cannot be a fail in your life.
Mm,
Always focus his teachings. when he
yes.
will when he have a sessions, always listen him. His stamina at this time, at this age, he speaks a lots of hours continue. We
Yeah.
all have a means I'm so younger. I'm so younger than him. I'm just 32 and 33. And after some time I said, oh my God, now it's too late
Yes.
now. Take some nap, or
Yeah.
lie down on a bed. But he's continuously speaking
Yes.
continuously.
Mhm. Yeah.
Really, look at the stamina of our God.
Oh.
So really, it's a mind changing, it's a life changing moment. And another thing, when someone came to you and show some opportunities, don't deny.
Mm,
Like don't deny, because you never know what is the concept behind that concept, behind the project or the opportunity or the company.
mm,
Must learn everything. Don't
yes.
deny. If you're
Mm,
going to not going to promote this, okay, don't join, but at least learn about that company. If you have a Just because of when you will going to do a session or webinar with your team, so that you can take a example without taking his name. You can take
yes.
example that how many type of how which type of companies we have in the market. And
Yes.
look here, Evorich have a lots of things, and
Absolutely.
lots of different things from another companies. So always learn about every company, everything, so that
Yes.
your mind will going to be open, and
Hmm.
you feel so fresh. And like what I did in my life, means after joining this company, I spent 6 years just to learn this company. I ran away all, means India is a so big country, means
Yeah.
more than we have a lots of population, lots of people here. So it means we have lots of opportunities here.
Mm,
So I ran all over the India continuously 6 months just to learn about this. But
hmm.
everyone says just buy this CRU and hold this, you will get this much of income. After this time,
Yeah.
you will get this income and you will become Bill Gates. So I said, why? How it going to be work? What is the concept behind this?
Yes,
So
absolutely. Yeah.
but I was so curious. I was so eager to learn about this company, about the education, about the concept behind this project. And
Yeah.
after getting this knowledge, you will create empire. Don't forget
Yeah.
when which stage you will join, or which stage you bought your EIP
Mhm.
packages and you got CRU. Forget this. If you have a
Yeah.
knowledge, if you have a great mindset, if you have a great vision, you will create
Yeah.
an empire at any time,
That's
just because
right.
of your patience level, your learnings, your focus on your CEO, and your
Mhm.
belief in yourself.
That's right. Amazing, amazing words of wisdom. And I totally side with you when you say with the skills that we acquire in our Academy of a Private Investor, those are the skills that's going to be with us for the long run, for the long term. No one is going to come and take away those skills that we're learning, right? Our financial education, our investment education. It's the skills that will forever be with us. And it's not just our company that we're going to be focusing on investing into, but we now have the knowledge to create our own personal portfolios, right? We can go out there in the market and diversify our portfolio. And I love it. I love that. So learning is a big deal to you. And when you have that knowledge, everything else, your knowledge, nobody will try and get you out of it, because you have that solid foundation of knowledge in the company, right? And we share the love of our CEO, Andre Rato. He is a visionary man. He had
Yes.
this amazing idea where he created, and then now look, he wanted ordinary people like us to become part of that vision. And look at where we are at right now. Roadmap after roadmap, we're seeing progress, we're seeing reality unfolding itself in front of us, our very own eyes. And wow, it's amazing. So, Praveen, thank you so much for your time. For heeding my call. I know I invited you last minute, to last week, but I'm so grateful. You've shown such great leadership in you. A man who honor his words. I'm also grateful for the value that you are continually providing for our community, not just globally but also in India. That's India is there's great things coming out of India in the future. And I don't know why people keeps on wanting to get out of India, but I tell you, India is such a blessed country. And if people utilize its resources properly, it's one of the number one economy country in the economy in the world. So great to have people like you. And I'm just amazed at your background, your education, really, really. And I'm not surprised, because a lot of Indian that I met, like, they're really into computer, they're IT. And you remind me of my little brother. That's his field. And software developer is something that he's keen. So he's in Auckland, New Zealand, doing that. But I know he would love to chat with you or someday on it. But yeah, but that being said, thank you
Yes.
so
Yes.
much for your time. We will chat later on. But for all those people out there watching us, this is if you're gonna come in and watch the replay, I highly advise to watch the replay and watch and listen closely to this amazing leader, his journey and his words of wisdom, because it's incredible what we're doing. This is history in the making. And just be a part of it. Be part of it, and you'll know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So that being said, have a
Yes.
great
Exactly.
evening.
Exactly.
Thank you, Praveen. We'll chat later, but for now, goodbye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nelly. Thank you, and thank you
Yeah.
for inviting me. And thank you all viewers who participate in the sessions. And I'm sure may you will get some clarity about this company, about these projects. And really, Nelly, thank you for your leadership. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Namaste.
you.